This is the Leaning Tower of Reese's Pieces, but with a twist. They are sugar-free, and they still have all that chocolatey flavor that we love so much. So get excited on this episode of Lean Living. Hello, Squatties! Welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. Today, I am showing you the secret to making sugar-free Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. These are amazing, and they taste just as good as the real thing without spiking your blood sugar and keeping you energized and satisfied for the entire day. So I want you to be very excited. But first, if you haven't already done so, whoop, boop, subscribe to the channel so you never miss Salinas again. And remember, if you want recipes like these sugar-free Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, but tailored to you to help you achieve your health and fitness goals, then check out the 6-week lean challenge today. And let's start feeling your best today. Otherwise, let's get down to this recipe. And all you're gonna need, first up, is this is a food processor. This is actually a beast of a food processor. Just got it. It is the Hamilton Beach food processor. This thing is like a machine. That actually is a machine. Yeah, it is a machine. So, it's a powerful machine. First things first is grab yourself a bag of raw almonds, and we're gonna do 3/4 cups. Can you hear me? 3/4 cups. Just grab some. 3/4 cups of almonds. From a distance, brings out the flavor in the almonds. I'm lying, it doesn't. It just creates a whole mess. So maybe get a little closer and you're going 3/4 cups because you don't want to miss any almonds out. Next up is rolled oats, and I want you to make sure you get a pack with rolled oats on because there are different types of oats. And that means there's gonna be different types of flavors and different types of textures. And we want the rolled oats texture and flavor for these Reese's Peanut Butter Cups to be perfectly yummy. So it's a 1/4 cup. Again, from a distance. No look this time. Woo! Choice is yours. How risky do you wanna be? Let me know. Now it's time to food process this up. Locked in, loaded. But before we food process this, I just want to tell you guys a brand new secret. This is literally the secret to staying lean for the rest of your life. So that is the secret to staying lean for the rest of your life. Now we're back to this recipe. Next thing you're gonna do is grab a big bowl, just like this one, and we're pouring all of that lean mix into that bowl. Pop it in just like that. Oh, come on, Phil. I'm getting a little excited. I can taste those Reese's Pieces sugar-free in my belly already, and it gets me a little excited. So next step is, well, it's nutty butter time, and I'm going to be using almond butter because truth be told, I'm an almond butter guy over peanut butter. However, I know Reese's Peanut Butter Cups use peanut butter. The choice is simply yours. I am an almond guy. What are you? You tell me. I don't know, but I'm gonna do almond butter. 2 tablespoons, or just pour it in. Now on to the next step, and this is where things get very, very lean. This is how we make these sugar-free Reese's Peanut Butter. This is one of the key steps, so I want you to turn up that volume and look directly into my eyes. Walden's Farm maple syrup. It's 0 calorie and going to bring all that sweet, lean flavor to these Reese's Peanut Butter Cups without all the sugar. And if you don't have it, I've linked it in below in the Amazon shop. You can simply just order it to your door. Likewise, you can also use maple syrup, but remember, they will no longer be sugar-free, no longer be keto-friendly. Choice is yours. This recipe video is full of choices. You decide. Whoop! So we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of 0 sugar maple syrup. 0 sugar, just get it all in there. Next up is coconut oil. We're gonna use 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Make sure you melt it down in the microwave for about 10-15 seconds, and then we add it to the bowl, and just like, whoop, cap this off with just a little bit of cinnamon, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, just a sprinkle, just like that. A little bit of salt, and voila. we have our lean mix ready to go. Boo! And this is our mix. And now we just do the lean remix. And it's gonna be nice and sticky, which is what we want. So don't be shy, mix it up, use those muscles. Now, this mix is going to form the base of our sugar-free Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Sorry, I can't help myself. But key is, this is silicone. So what happens is, when we put the baking tray and these cups in the freezer, they are so easy to pull out. You literally just fold this out and your Reese's Peanut Butter Cup is going to come out perfectly, okay? So, in we go. About a tablespoon of lean mix, and then you just kind of mush it down. I'm just mushing away. Mush it down, that's the base. Formed perfectly. There you have it, squaddies. Perfectly patted down. That is the base of the sugar-free Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. I did 8. 8 muffins, well, they're not muffins. They are Reese's Peanut Butter Cups with 0 sugar, duh. So I did 8 of them. I went really big. You can go smaller sizes and you get your whole muffin tray filled. It's up to you. The choice is yours. Everybody's body is different, right? That's what the leanness is all about. Finding what works for you. Oh, what a save. And now it's time to make the chocolatey topping to our sugar-free Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. And this is gonna blow your mind because this chocolatey topping is sugar-free. It is insane and it tastes so, so, so good. First things first is 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. Cacao powder, 2 tablespoons. That's 1.5, just like that. And then 3 tablespoons of Walden's Farm 0 sugar maple syrup. This is key. And then we're gonna get 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Again, melt it in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. We're gonna combine and whisk away. There we go. Some coconut oil in there, melted perfectly. And now we whisk. Whisk away. Oh, the chocolatey, can you see? I hope you can see what I'm seeing because it looks so amazing. And now we pour the 0 sugar chocolate topping on our Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. And this is a sight to behold. Whoa! Look at that. Ooh-wee. Let's hop to the freezer. We're gonna pop them in for about 30 to 45 minutes and then I'll meet you right back here. To the freezer we go. Hello. Oh. This is weird. Daddy, make sure your friends tag at Lean Squad. Love, Hudson. With a nice drawing on the back. So I guess Hudson said it. Make sure you do it. And now we're gonna resume our episode with these going in the freezer for 30 to 45 minutes. There you have it, squaddies. This is your Leaning Tower of Reese's Pieces Peanut Butter Cups that are sugar-free. Say it one more time with me. I hope you enjoy these. And remember, if you want recipes like these tailored to you, then start your own 6-week lean challenge. Click the link below, www.lean-squad.com. Otherwise, squaddies, I will see you back here next episode. It's the Leaning Tower of sugar-free Reese's Pieces. Woo.